She had no money, no family, and no reason to keep going. But just when she was ready to give up, God stepped in. This is a true story of heartbreak, faith, and the miraculous power of God's perfect timing. Maria had always believed in working hard, but after losing her job, her apartment, and the last bit of money she had saved, she found herself sleeping in a shelter, hopeless and ashamed. She would sit alone in the park, watching families laugh, wondering if she would ever feel joy again.
God, are you even listening?
One cold night, she made a silent decision. I can't keep living like this. Her hope was gone.
If you're real, God, I need you now. Please.
Would you like some coffee?
Grace had never walked through that park before, but that morning she felt a strong urge. No, a nudge to take a different route.
You look like you could use a friend.
I don't know what to say.
Start with your name.
That conversation didn't end in the park. Grace gave Maria her number, invited her to church, and helped her find a place to stay. It wasn't instant, but it was the beginning. God didn't send lightning or angels from the sky. He sent grace, one person willing to care. Weeks turned into months. Maria got help finding a job in a small apartment. But more than that, she found peace.
I used to think I was forgotten, but God remembered me. Through grace, He rescued me. God didn't just give me help, He gave me purpose.
Jeremiah 29:11 says, "For I know the plans I have for you, plans to give you a future and a hope." Even in our darkest moments, God is working. Sometimes He sends the right person at the right time, just like He did for Maria. Maybe you're Maria today, feeling forgotten. Or maybe you're Grace. Who has God placed on your heart to help? A neighbor? A friend? A stranger on a bench? You could be the answer to someone's desperate prayer. If you were moved by this story, don't keep it to yourself. Share it, live it, and remember, help. Sometimes He sends you. Subscribe to Hope and Love in God's Kingdom for more inspiring stories of God's grace and power. See you in the next one.